Gemstone Trapiche Emerald. These emeralds get their name from the trapiche, a grinding wheel used in Colombia, South America. In the region where these gems are often found, people use these wheels to process sugarcane. As you can see in the photos, some of these gems resemble a spoked wheel with a hexagonal core. However, not all of these gems have that hexagonal hub. Some enthusiasts believe trapiche emeralds from one mining area display the core, while those from another don't. Based on my research and conversations with dealers, the presence or lack of a core does not appear to indicate origin. Despite its star-like appearance, this unique pattern is not a case of asterism. Asterism means the star-stone effect. However, trapiche emeralds may reveal chatoyancy, a cat's eye effect. Parallel growth tube inclusions can create a cat's eye in the pie-shaped sections as well as rarely along the length of hole-capped trapiche emeralds. Expert lapidaries can orient and cut these stones to bring out this effect. During the formation of an emerald crystal, black carbon impurities may enter the gemstone mix. Because of emerald's hexagonal crystal structure, these impurities may fill in at the crystal junctions, forming a 6-point radial pattern. In some trapiche emeralds, inclusions of albite, quartz, carbonaceous materials or lutite may outline the hexagonal emerald core. From there, they extend in spokes that divide the surrounding emerald material into 6 trapezoidal sectors. The central tapered emerald core first grows under hydrothermal conditions. But should these conditions slow or even stop for some time, impurities may enter the mix. As growth conditions resume, both emerald and, for example, albite may form. Although the hexagonal prism faces of the core crystal can maintain their uniform growth, producing pure emerald. Albite fills the areas growing from the edges between the prism faces. This results in 6 sectors of clear emerald and 6 of a combination predominantly albite with some emerald. Thus, the central core and the 6 surrounding trapezoidal sectors of a trapiche emerald comprise a single untwinned crystal.